Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying Mac OS and enabling basic prerequisites. Make sure you have your Gmail username, password, and two-step verification device ready. Open Apple Mail or go to System Settings, then Internet Accounts. This is where you add mail. Choose Google from the account list because that uses Apple's built-in OAuth flow. Enter your email when prompted, then allow Google permissions. Once done, you'll return to Mac OS to configure which apps, mail, contacts, calendars you want linked. Now complete the Google sign-in and authorization process. This is why you use the built-in option, secure OAuth tokens rather than manual passwords. You'll confirm permissions for mail, contacts, and calendars. Make sure each toggle you need is turned on. If you prefer manual IMAP, enable IMAP in Gmail's web settings and use Mail's add other account with IMAP server settings, IMAP, Gmail, com and SMTP, Gmail, com. Once configured, choose sync frequency and folders to download so Mail shows your inbox correctly. Finish by sending a test email and checking incoming mail across devices. This verifies syncing and folder mapping. If messages or folders don't appear, force a resync. Quit Mail, reopen, and select Mailbox Synchronize. If sign-in fails because two-step verification is on, generate an app password in your Google account and use it for manual setups. Otherwise, remove and re-add the Google account to refresh tokens. One key tip: reauthorize via System Settings when.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.